what's going on with y'all boys, man. I want to give y'all a little POV at nighttime. I don't know if y'all can really see, but I kind of turned on the flashlight, but just try to give y'all like a little view right quick. I just want to give y'all a little POV. Y'all like the other one, so I just want to bring another one back to y'all. Tell me how y'all day went, man. Tomorrow is Labor Day. Tell me what y'all doing in the comment section. Is y'all barbecuing or not, man? Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Them boys out there. Wait a minute. Them boys lined up back to back to back. Sheesh. I know y'all just saw that. That had to be like a little drug bust or something. But yeah, man, we back with another video. Back with another POV, man. In the Scat. See, y'all like that other one I brought y'all, like, I think it was like 2 days ago. It was like a Saturday morning cut up that I had, not cut up actually, but it was like a POV that I had posted. So yeah, I'm gonna just bring y'all one more. But in this one, I'm gonna just try to let y'all hear the engine. Let y'all hear that sit for, man. I'm gonna just shut up and yeah, sit back and watch. In Mexico, man. I'm trying to give y'all some light pulls though, for real. Nothing too major. Y'all boy like, share, and subscribe for me getting y'all this content, man. I got my flashlight in the car. They probably like, man, what is he got going on over there? Hey, man, gotta give y'all boys content, man. You know, I'm on the YouTube, bro, for real. But safety always first, though. You already know. I don't know if y'all heard that in the tunnel. But yeah, safety always first, man. Before YouTube and everything, safety always first. I'm still making sure I can see and everything. Just make sure y'all boy don't try this at home. Well, he got a Scat. I think he got a SV6. Somebody coming up behind me. Stomp on the brakes. It's a wide open lane right here, my boy. What is you doing? Glad. Y'all boy, let me know what type of videos y'all want next in the comment section. Y'all want the POVs? Y'all want some more how-to videos? I mean, drop what you want in the comment section, man. I got y'all boys for real. Alright, y'all, boy, we back. My phone's going out of storage right now, but I see a little, I think it's a 392. Oh no, it's a V6. It says SST right there. But it's a little charge right here, man. We still outside with it, man. You know, currently 10:20. Phone is going out of storage. But I'm still getting y'all content now for real. But yeah, but y'all boy like, share, comment, subscribe, man. You know, we still bring y'all content for real. Still bring y'all content, man. I gotta scare the V6 one time. Nah, I'm just bullshit. But yeah, man, y'all boy, hey, be consistent, stay on your grind, man. Every day, each day, man. Hey, if you feeling down, steady put the work in, steady keep going. That's my little word of advice I can give y'all. Let's see if you want to line it up. I don't think he will smoke, man. Let me stop playing with these folks out here. You see, we got a big racetrack out here, man. There ain't no nothing tonight. Ain't nobody on none tonight. I guess everybody out of town, man. We in Mexico with it, though. Everybody out of town from Labor Day. You want a head start? Nah, he ain't on nothing. Oh, don't come out. Do not come out. I don't like driving by them motorcycle people, bro. Motorcyclists. Baby. I like that color on that, boy. That's hard, I ain't gonna lie. And I ain't bragging on both with my Scat. It's for motivational, man. Motivational purposes only, man. Like, don't be saying like, oh, he bragging with the Scat, he boasting and all that. Nah, it's just motivation, man. I work hard for this, for real. I just want y'all to do the same thing, for real. Work hard for it. Just want to give y'all motivation to do it. When I ain't had my Scat, and I was on YouTube, I watched people with like Scat Pats, Hellcats and all that, track hawks on YouTube. That was just motivation to me. And that motivated me to get one. So I just want to do the same thing for y'all, for real. So yeah, y'all boy, like I said, stay on your grind, be consistent. You feel like you don't want to work, just, hey man, just, you know, keep putting in work for real, each and every day. It ain't gonna pay off for real. But yeah, man, this is like a little late night POV, man, that I want to get to y'all. Y'all boy, like, share, comment, subscribe. You can see you got people in the, they trying to cut up. Look, he cutting up in a Subaru van, whatever that is. But yeah, man, y'all boy, like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Let's get it.